Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to change your WhatsApp group description on an Android device. Go to your phone menu, find WhatsApp, tap on the WhatsApp icon. Make sure that you are on the Chats tab. Tap on your group chat. Tap the subject of the group. This is the name of the group at the top of the chat. Tap on group description. Enter a new description. Tap OK to save it. As you can see, group description has been changed. This is how you can change the group description on an Android device.